Welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. Today, let's make a little bit of fun art by making our own stamps. I really like using alphabet stamps. I can use them to add little sentences or words, or just simply use them to add the date of my drawing in my sketchbooks. But you can actually carve your own stamps, of course. But if you don't have an eraser to carve anything out or the thing to carve with, you can actually also use a thin piece of foam that you can cut into stamps. I've done that a while ago. I made a whole alphabet, which was really fun, just using scissors and foam. And in no time, you will have a whole bunch of alphabet stamps that you can use again and again and again. It'll be fun because the shapes are very personal. They're made by you, and even if they're a little bit crooked or wonky, actually that is the fun of it. So this foam I am using is a cheap material that you can find in craft shops, and they're also often sold as kids' crafting supplies. You can write your letters or numbers on it with a pencil, but I am just going to cut my shapes right away. I'm going to create a set of numbers that I can use to stamp the dates on my sketchbook pages. For that, of course, I will need a stamp pad. Let's do this thing. I will start with 1, which is pretty straightforward, so no pressure there. Cutting the curves of the 2 shape is a bit trickier, and actually, no, this one is too small. It will be too hard to use as a stamp. I'll give it another go. That's better. And yes, it's out of proportion with the number 1, but that is actually fun. I want this to be a fun set of numbers rather than it being perfect. That's not possible anyway. And that's definitely not what I'm aiming for either. I want it to be personal and I want it to be wonky. I want it to be playful. The 6 can also function as the 9. That's handy. Look how fun that looks. But wait until you start stamping. The effect is amazing. I really love the texture that the foam gives. You can also glue your letters or numbers on acetate and cut that out, so you have something to hold on to when you're stamping. Making stamps like this is simple and fun, and think about what kinds of other shapes you could create. Stamps like these are fantastic to use for mixed media arts too. That's how I was inspired to make these in the first place. At Sketchbook School we have a very inspiring course all about mixed media, and if you like this little tip, you will love mixed media journaling. Find out more and enroll at sketchbookschool.com.